Hello guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Hayan, so today is Tuesday. Syempre, today hindi tayo puro kain lang. So, I did at least 1 hour outside near in my home. So, nag-exercise naman tayo guys. Syempre, we drink our favorite coffee. So, after nyan, I'm just trying to observe. This is the second day observation of mine. Kung ako ba ay magbabawas later. Ayan. So, coffee muna tayo guys. And then after that, when we reach home, Bisaya ba? Ayan. I need to drink my water na ginawa. So lahat yan, hindi lang tayo pwedeng umasa sa isang healthy drinks na iniinom natin. Siyempre, sasabayan natin yan ng exercise, water, ayan, para naman maganda yung circulate ng ating dugo. So, ayan, I hope guys, na-motivate ko na naman kayo. Gising-gising sa umaga, that is the best thing that we can do before start our work. Syempre dito lang yan sa my vlog. Ayan. So I have still 1 hour to prepare myself to go to work. So always running guys. But I really like in the morning because you know, yung dugo ko nag-circulate, mas maganda, mas maganda kapag nag-umpisa ka ng at least para sa sarili mo. Hindi yung pagkagising mo diretso sa work, ligo diretso sa work, sad naman. You didn't give any at least 30 minutes in yourself. So at least guys, bigyan mo naman ng time ang sarili mo. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you around. Ciao.